अच्छा बेटा, कल हमने या लास्ट टाइम हमने पढ़ा था ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग जो हमें कैसे करनी चाहिए, ठीक। वो हमने पढ़ा था कि किसी भी पैराग्राफ के ऊपर, किसी ऐसे के ऊपर, किसी भी टॉपिक के ऊपर हमें ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करनी चाहिए। लेकिन हमारा जो टॉपिक है, दिस आवर टॉपिक इज narrative essay. In narrative essay, what we do that we narrate some story. We narrate the life of some person. We narrate some events in the whether it is that event, that situation which is held by whether you or by someone. Okay. मिसाल के तौर पे कोई भी आपकी ज़िंदगी में किस्सा गुजरा हो, कोई कहानी हुई हो, कोई अच्छा ज़िंदगी का गुजरा, मिसाल के तो अक्सर ही पैराग्राफ में कहते हैं the happiest day of my life आता है अक्सर ही the historical place, a visit to historical place. In such type of essay, what do we narrate? We narrate in the form of first person. That how did you enjoy? How did you visit something? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Or for example, you read any story. For example, you read any story. So in such type of story, in such a type of writing, narrative. So what do we have to do? We have also do here brainstorming. What we do? We have also do brainstorming. In brainstorming here, brainstorming. We have to, for example, we take any story. Any story. In a story, what we have to do? First of all, we have to create some characters. What?
Characters.
In a story, in making a story, we have to choose some characters. Plot. What? Plot. And then in the last
Structure.
word number theme. In characters, we have to choose people, persons. For example, if we give here the title, for example, two brothers. Two brothers. If we take the title of any story, two brothers. In characters, what we have to mention? Their names. What we have to mention? Their names. There are two names. There are two names. For example, Tanveer and and third characters may be, for example, their father. If we take, is it right?
Yes,
Third
sir.
characters, father. There are three characters here. And what we have to take the theme means the central idea of the story. What should be the central idea here? The moral of the lesson, the moral of the story. What should be the moral of the story? What should be the central idea of the story? Unity is strength. Very good. And further, we can also take the unity is strength. Is strength. And we also can take their think before. Think before talk. Talk. Think before talk. You do anything. Anything. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Think before you do anything, yeah, think before doing. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
If we take here unity is strength, it will be another story. On the basis of the theme, we create a plot. And what we do in plot, we divide the story in three parts. First, start. What it would be? Start. It would be start and middle and then ending. And in literature, in essay writing, what do we have to do? The first would be introduction, and then body paragraph, and then paragraphs, and in the end, what we do? Conclusion. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
What did we do in the last time in brainstorming? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
In the middle, what we decided, we just describe the characters, the behaviors of two brothers. And
राइट हो जा
in the characters, what we say, describe Tanvir. What would be the characters of Tanvir? What is Tanvir? Is it?
नहीं भैया
What do you describe in the character first? What Tanvir is and what Junaid is? Yes.
Tanvir did not thinking without Tanvir did not think
Means
before
Tanvir is not
तुमको
means not obedient.
नॉट ऑब्जेक्ट
Whatever we do without thinking.
Whatever he do without it.
Without it.
Is it
Thinking.
right? Tanvir character is that. We
Yes, sir.
mentioned in the first part is that.
Start.
And also what would be the characters of Junaid?
Obedient. Whatever
Junaid
we
is
do.
it?
Obedient.
Whatever he do.
Obedient.
Firstly, he think about it. And then
Before doing something, he always think.
think.
Means he follow the instruction.
Yes,
sir.
And,
इंस्ट्रक्शन
and what is the role of father in this story? What should be the role?
Sir, to make him realize and realize his brother.
So in this story, we also can say that the father is especially concerned about
Tanvir.
Is it right?
Yes, sir.
He is concerned. He is also concerned about Tanvir. And father, what did he do? In the first paragraph, we just describe these things. Clear?
Yes, sir.
In the middle, what should be?
Man story.
Man story. What should be the instruction? What should be the man story? What should be the process of that story? So, which type of process we will include in the story?
जरे हो जाए
competition.
Father organized a competition.
तू तो हेट हो जा
Is it right?
Yes, sir.
We will do competition.
Competition.
Father organize a contest.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Contest in the middle. And there will be some type of instruction and he also what he does he also organize a competition and the reward would be what is reward? What is bicycle.
बाईसाइकिल
The reward would be bicycle and
बाईसाइकिल
father will only in the middle would be the competition and in the competition is a reward is a bicycle.
बाईसाइकिल
Only one bicycle and the competitors are two, Junaid and Tanvir. And the instruction is what they have to father advises their sons that his sons that they will go first in the morning, early in the morning, and they will have to come before evening, before sunset.
Yes, sir.
And in what the
Matha
story
niche kar.
gives the lesson that what Junaid do, Tanvir does, Tanvir is what he does not follow the instruction, he is not obedient. So in the story, what
What it is, na, ID card is
Tanvir
there.
will have to do in the story, he will not follow the
He went too far.
he will wait too far, maybe another characters would be whatever he do, he will not come before time, he will come after time. And what Junaid will do, he will come on a time according to the instruction what would be instructed by their father. Is it right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
In the end, what would be that? In the end, Junaid comes after sunset.
Yes, sir.
Not sunset.
On sunset.
On sunset means on time, and Tanvir will not come
On time.
So
On
reward
time.
will goes
Junaid.
Junaid. Reward
Reward.
will go to
Junaid.
Junaid.
Reward will go to Junaid.
Junaid because of
उधर देख इधर क्या है
because of following
Instruction.
instruction. And the moral will be
15 सेकंड
moral will be you will have in the last phase conclude the thing before you do something. Is it right?
Yes,
So
sir.
in this story we have
Hey,
to
matha niche kar.
create three things. What we will have to do? Three things. First is the characters. Second we will have to create the theme. What?
Create the theme.
And after that what we will have to do?
Plot.
Create the thoughts.